Okay. I'm tired.
We gotta find out what's going on with the purple lady.
And how impolite, senor.
What is that schmutz?
Ugh, not.
Yucky.
Hey, come on. Hey,
What are we doing?
we're in the city of Dundas.
Greetings from Dundas. I think we should do something like greetings from Dundas, because that's what it is. Greetings from Dundas. What's up, everybody? Steel Mountain Moto.
Checking in.
What?
Checking out the bikes.
What are you checking?
We're checking in.
Checking in. We're checking in, checking out, telling you what it is all about. So it's a Sunday. We were going to do a in the garage project, and then it would turn into be like 28 degrees.
And with that, we thought that was way too nice to be spending it inside when half the Canadian A year is spent inside because of
Yeah.
how cold it gets up here.
So we decided, we're going to put that on hold. That's going to become a winter project. And today we got out for a ride. So we had no idea where we were going to go. We asked ChatGPT, we asked the Google where we should go, what we should do, and it had no ideas.
Spent hours figuring out where we're gonna go.
Not really hours, but a little bit.
We
of
spent
time.
hours.
Okay, well, we were dicking around. We had a drink. We were playing in the garage. I had to shine up Pearl a little bit. I don't know what you did. Oh, you cleaned your glasses? We did that
More
stuff.
important.
But
So-
we're at Hayes Detail Shop. Really cool spot, really kind of 50s kind of vibe. Cool spot, and they have this wicked mural on the road or wall. So we figured we'd stop here and get a couple of pics. Maybe a great spot to talk to you guys. But we did what? We went
some
up
cool
the mountain.
roads.
We went up the mountain. We showed you that. We went through a little bit of city of Hamilton. We got onto the Red Hill, or the Link. We got on the Link, and then we went off to Rousseau Street. Went through Ancaster, Sulphur Springs Road, Mineral Springs Road. We got some shots of that, so hopefully you like it. And what are we going to do now? Grab a bite to eat, grab a drink?
Grab a bite to eat, and we're gonna see where our adventure is gonna take us.
Yeah, we don't really know.
Today we're just going with the flow.
We're winging it.
That road looks cool, we go it. That's
Yeah.
it. That's probably some of the best fun we've had.
Yeah, it's been fun because it's roads that we haven't been on yet. And we got some people coming by, so we're just going to grab some stuff out of the way.
And
This is like a Blair Witch Project. So we're currently at the driving park in Dundas. I'm just recording this. And there's a girl that walked past us. And she's completely purple. Purple face, purple neck. Has ripped jeans. Her knees are purple. I don't know, maybe you guys out there know something about purple people? I'd watch out for the purple people eater.
I don't think you can say that.
Why? The purple people eater? One-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eater? That was a song.
What?
You've never heard that?
No.
Dude, this guy is like... Anyway. Is this the end of the day?
This is the end of the day.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Want to do a clappy clap?
Okay. Like your floppy dick.
Well, that ruined it. Let's try that again. Hey, everybody. This is the end of the day. We put a good little bit of riding in.
Yeah, it was great.
This guy's tired. Like, look at him. He's all like,
I'm tired.
I'm still all wound up. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna get home. Probably gonna take the dogs for a walk. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening.
I'm gonna do the editing work.
Yeah, you're gonna. I'm gonna jump on and edit too. But we had no plans today. We ended up in Dundas, Ontario. We grabbed a bite to eat. We got some cool shots. We rode Sulphur Springs. We rode Mineral Springs.
Yeah.
We went through Ancaster. We went across the mountain in Hamilton.
Finally, we did a lot of Hamilton ridings. For the Steel Mountain, we were really around the Steel Mountain a lot today, which is outside of our norm.
Usually we're going somewhere else. But beautiful shots like this. Currently golden hour. You can see it's a beautiful spot. We're actually in a cemetery. Isn't that lovely? But you can look way up there and see the roadway that we're hopefully going to get on in here in a minute.
For someone that doesn't like to be near the supernatural, he picked a cemetery to film.
Dun, dun, dun. We're not taking anybody home with us. So let's finish it then. What do we do?
We can ask them to like,
Politely.
subscribe.
Please.
Please and thank you.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Do you want to do the ring? That's too many rings. It's just a... That's it.
Could be.
That's all it is.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit all the buttons that you have available except the dislike button.
I don't know. Is there a dislike button? There is a dislike button.
There is. Don't mention it. Don't get it in their head. Hit the likes, hit subscribe, comment, say why you hate us, why you love us, what you want us, what you want to see us do next.
really want to hear why they hate us.
I'd love to. Love to know.
Like, if you're not watching us, well, I guess you don't know that you hate us. So why don't you watch us, see if you do like us, and if you don't, you can hate us and keep watching.
Send it to people that do hate us.
That'd be awesome. Anyway, guys, let's see where our adventure takes you.
Beesh.
We gotta find out what's going on with the purple lady. What do we got in our background? Gay men? Okay, we should ask her.